Welcome to another sunny spring morning. Don't worry guys, I've got my factor 50 on. I'm a bit pasty, you see. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like. So let's see what we've got in store for today. Right, let's go. Proceed as I left off in the last video. Forklift man.
The wall or something, a bit more leverage. No, actually don't, because you're back.
Oh, I'll be alright like this.
And then we'll lift up and move over. That's it, mate. Well done.
But my God, I mean, look at the size difference. Pile up.
Borrow a forklift for a minute.
That's that for today. And not today. We'll be finishing it tomorrow. See you in a second. And we're back. Good morning. Job and knock. Here we go again. Let's do all down in there. Last course of the heavy blocks. All done. Clean as you go, lads, clean as you go. This is my latest test as a short career of a forklift driver for the week. I haven't dropped anything yet. There's a bit of a bump now. Bump. Perfection. Oh, but just squeeze them in there. Bet you guys thought there was going to be drama, but I'm just going to leave it by the side. There's not enough room. I'm getting good at this. I ought to hang up my trowel. Beep, beep, beep. Right, well that's another job done. Congratulations if you've made it this far in the video, if I haven't bored you. If you've gotten all the way to the end of this video and realise you haven't subscribed, please do for us, I really appreciate it. I'm hoping our next job won't be laying concrete blocks, it'll be brickwork again. Well, even the lighter blocks would do fine. All in all, let us know what you think of the video, also the work. Really, I do read all the comments and I do take a lot of feedback, and I get a lot of tips. So let's see how many people get to the end of my videos by, if you comment yes down below, I'll do a bouncy castle video for you. So be positive, just wing it and live your best life. See you in the next one.